You're back! You come to watch more stuff? I have some stuff for you to watch. You're going to see this bus get converted. We're doing a giveaway. Yeah! Now, I'm going to talk about the bus a little bit. And then, again, we're going to tell you what we're giving away. So, you're going to enjoy this one. This bus was quite a process. Hopefully you enjoy watching it. And phase 2 of it, we're shipping it to Maine. I don't want to put any wear and tear on it. So we're going to be putting it on a trailer and hauling it up there. Currently I got a quote for $2,500 from heavy haulers. So if any of you guys can beat it, by all means, comment below. Make sure you turn on your notifications if you're a subscriber. Subscribe, guys, for all the future stuff. You don't want to miss out on any of this. So once we get it shipped to Maine, I'm going to finish it off, turn it into a little tiny home, and put it down by the river. Ha! It's going to be fucking cool. Yeah, I can't wait. Time to get on with it. Like my 7th grade social studies teacher used to say. Hope you enjoy the show there, pilgrims. That's terrible. Oh well. Okie dokie. So this is the bus when I first bought it. Here you see the inside. You got the seats, the back cage, window cage. This bus came from Georgia. It used to be a railroad transporting bus. So they used to put a whole bunch of heavy stuff there in the back area. Now starts the gutting process. This was not fun. Here's the top half of that cage removed. This thing was so heavy. Here you can see, remove them seats, got that cage off. In the back there, you can see the window protectors. I removed all those. Then that huge steel sheet there in the center. That was another unpleasant, successful removal. This baby was made in 1994. Here you can see how rotted up that floor was. Had to tear it up. Had to be done. It sucked doing it. Once the floor was tore up, you can see there some bolts sticking out of the bottom. And in the back there, I had to grind all those guys down and out. After it was all cleaned up, I cut out square sections along the inside of the bus, and then I cut those up and used it as patches for all them little holes in the floor. The black stuff you see, I put down rust protectant stuff, and then I put the patches over top of them, screwed them in place, and I foamed over along the edges of the wheel well there. More painting and patching, painting and patching. So the majority of the metal that I cut off from the inside of the bus, you can see I had to bend it and I laid it all across the back bottom of the floor where the wall meets the floor, that whole crease. 27 years of wear and tear created a lot of little holes, so I figured it was best to just seal it all off and screw it down. It turned out really nice. Here's a little closer view of what I was just talking about. This is a good shot of those metal squares that I cut off the inside of the wall. That was then recut for all the patches. The floor is almost finished. I got the wheel wells coated the back door. You can see to the left and the right of the door. I'm gonna rust protect all that metal there. Now I am all done getting high off that rust protectant stuff. It was a process and a half. Now that that's done, I spent the day at my friend Matt's house. He basically did everything and I was his helper. We framed out the floor, laid some insulation down, and then we put the dry plywood on top there. It is starting to look good. Now it's time to tend to the outside. This baby was dirty. My friend Kevin let me borrow his pressure washer. I think he spent the whole day pressure washing this bus. Remember that part in Home Alone where the mom screams, "Kevin!" Here's Kevin. Thanks, Kevin. Here's a visual from me on top of the roof. Amazing. I mean, I couldn't imagine this thing not being pressure washed. All done. Back to shiny white. I'm so glad to be done with this bath. Here she is, super clean. Look at that difference. Here I have it parked out front of my mom's drive-thru, showing off this beauty. But that's all she wrote for this phase 1. Alrighty, sweet. Now we're gonna talk about the giveaway. Jeez, what?
Hey!
Hey!
Did you say giveaway?
Yeah, I sure did.
Oh.
Ah.
I want to tell them about the giveaway.
Yeah, man.
I brought our camera so we could show them.
Yeah.
But I dropped it.
Ah.
Gotcha!
You're funny.
So, we're giving away not 1, but 2 of these cool Instax Mini cameras. As you guys can see, and Adam probably can't right now, we really like ours. We use it all the time, and it's a great way to keep your memories right in sight, what you're grateful for and thankful for. We all have pictures and cameras on our phone, but really, when you can't have an actual copy of it all the time, what good is it? So we really like these. We're big fans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And guess what else?
What?
I put in my notice, my 2-week
She's
notice.
quitting. She's quitting.
I'm quitting, finally. It's been 14 years I've been at the same job, and I'm quitting, and we're going to be living out in Maine, out of an RV, with this crazy guy.
Shit's getting real.
Doing a bunch of fun, crazy projects and everything, and I'm just really, really excited and definitely very ready for it. And all you gotta do to win for this contest, or is it a contest? Giveaway? Whatever. All you have to do...
No contest. Giveaway.
Giveaway. All you have to do to win is to be a subscriber, send us a comment, and as he said before, be sure to turn on your notifications so that way you guys will see when we're going to be giving this away. And you know what they say? Memories are always best when shared. I couldn't agree more.
Amen.
Yeah.
Good luck.
And this is a great way for you guys to share your memories, so we really hope that you like it, and we hope that you guys win.
And we enjoy sharing ours with you.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.